વહેલી સવારે જોખમી થઈ ગઈ.
Hi, this is RJ Manasa with yet another episode of Hype Check for Fever FM. I don't think we in India or even the world has still recovered from AI 171 crash. अभी भी हम जूझ रहे हैं, क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ, still wrapping our minds around it. I have a lot of friends, they have stopped taking flights. It's like, nahi, I still need time to gather courage to be able to get inside an aircraft again. बट नाउ बहुत सारे अलग अलग एंगल्स आ रहे हैं फ्लाइट के बारे में, कैसे वो टेक ऑफ नहीं किया उसके बारे में, अलग अलग स्टोरीज के बारे में बहुत बातें कर लिया. बट इन्वेस्टिगेशन अभी भी जारी है. हाउ डिड द क्रैश हैपन? इट इज टू सून टू टॉक अबाउट इट. अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर टॉकिंग अबाउट इट. वी हैव जस्ट gotten the second black box. इन्वेस्टिगेशन खत्म हो जाए उसके बाद आई विल डू अनदर वीडियो about how the crash happened, what exactly went wrong. Right? For now, I want to talk about another angle to this case, to this story. That is the biggest insurance claim India has ever seen. It can run up to $1 billion. We still don't have an exact number yet. Imagine we lost around 270 lives in this air crash. So let's start with who all are insured. When Air India does the insurance, basics क्या है? First they'll be insured the hull insurance, यानी the aircraft that gets damaged, the parts and all of that will be insured. Passengers, the ones who've lost their lives, their families, survivors, they'll be insured. Liability, it comes under liability. Medicals, cargoes, all of it comes under that. And also third party will also be insured. In this case, the flight went and crashed into another building, which was the Medical College Hostel. That will also come under the third party claims, okay? Because so many things will be damaged when a flight crashes on ground, right? So that is third party claim. Now who will get the money? So Air India, usually it has global reinsurers, so they are the ones who will be facing the claims. Kya hota hai in such an incident, for such events, Air India will already be insured, right? Now the survivor, lone survivor, will come under liability. All the people who lost their lives will come under liabilities. And also people, passengers, there were so many expat passengers, these victims' families can also have claims. They will also come under liability. Hull के बारे में तो बात नहीं करते. Hull is basically the aircraft, the parts and all of that. जैसे मैंने कहा, third party, बहुत सारा third party damage हुआ है, वहाँ पर भी lives गए हैं. The organizations, different establishments, they will also have the claims. So all of this put together, Air India will be seeing the biggest insurance claim ever. Now Boeing is already in a lot of trouble. I don't want to go there. I think for them to make profit in Indian market, बहुत पैसा कमाना चाहता था ना Boeing Indian market में. I don't see that happening अभी के लिए. बहुत सारे flights cancel हो रहे हैं Boeing के. 787 के बारे में तो आपने सुना ही होगा. बहुत सारे इतना caution दिखा रहे हैं pilots. Now after this incident they're like, oh no, this is not airworthy. अभी मैं take off नहीं करूँगा because safety protocols सारा meet नहीं हुआ है. अभी कर रहे हैं, thankfully, so that such incidents don't happen. But like I said, this is going to be the biggest insurance claim India has ever seen. Once the investigation is complete, I will tell you, I will do another video as to what exactly went wrong and how this air crash happened. For now, this is RJ Manasa signing off.
Fever FM, happening here.